Chennai Metro is located in Tamil Nadu state in India. Chennai is the 7th largest metro in India. Currently, Chennai Metro is 56 km long and consists of 41 stations. Chennai Metro has two operational lines, Blue Line and Green Line. So let's see individual lines one by one. Chennai Metro Blue Line starts from Vimko Nagar Depot and ends in Chennai Airport. Blue Line is 32.65 km long and it has 26 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Blue Line. Vimko Nagar Depot, Vimko Nagar, Thiruvettriyur, Thiruvettriyur Theradi, Kaladi Petai, Tollgate, New Washermanpet, Tondiyarpetai, Sir Thiagaraya College, Washermanpet, Mannadi, High Court, Chennai Central, Government Estate, LIC, Thousand Lights, AGDMS, Tenampetai, Nandanam, Saidapetai, Little Mount, Gindi, Alandur, Nanganallur Road, Meenambakam, Chennai Airport. In Blue Line, there are 5 interchange stations. Chennai Central and Alandur stations. Here, passengers can interchange with the Green Line in both the stations, which runs from Chennai Central to St. Thomas Mount. Thousand Lights. In future, passengers can interchange with the Purple Line, which runs from Madhavaram Mill Colony to Sipcard 2. Nandanam. In future, passengers can interchange with the Orange Line, which runs from Lighthouse to Pundamalli Bypass. Alandur. Along with Green Line, in future passengers can interchange with the Red Line, which runs from Madhavaram Mill Colony to Sholinganallur. Chennai Metro Green Line starts from Chennai Central and ends in St. Thomas Mount. Green Line is 22 km long and it has 17 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Green Line. Chennai Central, Egmore, Nehru Park, Keelpakkam Medical College, Pachayappa's College, Chennai Nagar, Anna Nagar East, Anna Nagar Tower, Tirumangalam, Coimbatore Depot, CMBT, Arumbakam, Vadapalani, Ashok Nagar, Ikattutangal, Alandur, St. Thomas Mount. In Green Line, there are 6 interchange stations. Keelpakkam Medical College. In future, passengers can interchange with the Purple Line, which runs from Madhavara Mill Colony to Sipcard 2. Tirumangalam, Coimbatore, Alandur and St. Thomas Mount. In future, passengers can interchange with the Red Line, which runs from Madhavara Mill Colony to Sholinganallur. Vadapalani. In future, passengers can interchange with Orange Line, which runs from Lighthouse to Pundamalai Bypass. Alandur. Along with the Red Line, in future, passengers can interchange with the Blue Line, which runs from Vimko Nagar to Chennai Airport. Along with the operational Blue Line and Green Line Metro, Chennai has 3 under construction metro lines: Purple Line, Orange Line and Red Line. Chennai Metro Purple Line starts from Madhavara Mill Colony and ends in Sipcard 2. Purple Line is 45.4 km long and it has 47 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Purple Line: Madhavaram Mill Colony, Madhavaram High Road, Moolkadai, Simbiyam, Perambur Market, Perambur, Ayanavaram, Ooteri, Pattalam, Perambur Barracks Road, Purasaivakkam, Kelis, Keelpakkam, Seatpet, Sterling Road, Nungambakam, Anna Flyover, Thousand Lights, Rayapetai, Dr. Radhakrishnan Salai, Tirumailai, Mandaveli, Greenways Road, Adyar Junction, Adyar Depot, Indira Nagar, Thiruvanmayur, Taramani, Nehru Nagar, Kandanchavadi, Perungudi, Thoraipakkam, Metukuppam, PTC Colony, Okiyampetai, Karpakkam, Okiyam Thoraipakkam, Sholinganallur, Sholinganallur Lake 1, Sholinganallur Lake 2, Nukampalayam Depot, Semencheri 1, Semencheri 2, Gandhi Nagar, Navalur, Sirucheri, Sipcard 1, Sipcard 2. In Purple Line, there are 5 interchange stations. Keelpakkam Medical College. In future, passengers can interchange with Green Line, which runs from Chennai Central to St. Thomas Mount, Madavaram Mill Colony, Cholinganallur. In future, passengers can interchange with Red Line, which runs from Madavaram Mill Colony to Cholinganallur. 1000 lights. In future, passengers can interchange with Blue Line, which runs from Vimko Nagar to Chennai Airport. Tirumailai. In future, passengers can interchange with the Orange Line, which runs from Lighthouse to Poondamalai bypass. Chennai Metro Orange Line starts from Lighthouse and ends in Poondamalai bypass. Orange Line is 26.1 kilometers long and it has 28 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Orange Line: Kucheri Road, Tirumailai, Alwarpet, Bharatidasan Road, Boat Club, Nandanam, Panagal Park, Kodambakam, Power House, Vadapalani, Saligramam, Saligramam Warehouse, Alva Tirunagar, Vadasaravakam, Karambakam, Alapakam Junction, Porur Junction, Porur Bypass, Taliyar Gramam, Ayappandangal, Katupakam, Kumanan Chavadi, Karayana Chavadi, Mullai Totam, Poondamalli, Poondamalli Depot, Poondamalli Bypass. In Orange Line, there are 6 interchange stations. Tirumailai. In future, passengers can interchange with the Purple Line, which runs from Madavaram Mill Colony to Sipcot 2. Nandanam. In future, passengers can interchange with the Blue Line, which runs from Vimko Nagar to Chennai Airport. Vadapalani. In future, passengers can interchange with the Green Line, which runs from Chennai Central to St. Thomas Mount. Alva Tirunagar, Vadasaravakam and Karambakam. In future, passengers can interchange with Red Line, which runs from Madavaram Mill Colony to Cholinganallur. Chennai Metro Red Line starts from Madavaram Mill Colony and ends in Cholinganallur. Red Line is 44.6 kilometers long and it has 45 stations. Following are the stations which comes under Red Line: Madavaram Mill Colony, Madavaram Depot, Asasi Nagar, Manjambakam, Velmurugan Nagar, Madavaram Bus Terminal, Shastri Nagar Chennai, Raitri Junction, Kolattur Junction, Srinivasa Nagar, Villivakam, Villivakam Bus Terminal, Villivakam MTH Road, Anna Nagar West, Tirumangalam, Anna Nagar KV, Coimbatore, Coimbatore Market, Natesan Nagar, Viringabakam, Alvathiru Nagar, Vadasaravakam, Karambakam, Alapakam Junction, Mugalivakam, Ramapuram, Manampakam, Chennai Trade Center, Butt Road, Alandur, St. Thomas Mount, Adambakam, Vanavampettai, Ullagaram, Madipakam, Keelkattalai, Eechangadu, Kovilambakam, Velakal, Medavaram, Medavakam 1, Medavakam 2, Perumbakam, Classical Tamil Institute, Elcote, Cholinganallur. In Red Line, there are 10 interchange stations: Madavaram Mill Colony and Cholinganallur. In future, passengers can interchange with the Purple Line, which runs from Madavaram Mill Colony to Sipcot 2, Tirumangalam, Coimbatore, Alandur and St. Thomas Mount. In future, passengers can interchange with Green Line, which runs from Chennai Central to St. Thomas Mount. Vadasaravakam, Karambakam and Alampakam Junction. In future, passengers can interchange with Orange Line, which runs from Lighthouse to Poondamalai bypass. Alandur. In future, passengers can interchange with Blue Line, which runs from Vimko Nagar to Chennai Airport. So these are the brief information about Chennai Metro. In future videos, we will explain each metro lines individually. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.